Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and I welcome you to our hackathon project, FVM Space Warp Hackathon project, on behalf of our team who have built a platform called FVM Storage Bidding Marketplace, which with the name suggests that it is a platform where there are four types of people in it. First, like since it is a data DAO, so there are admins, then there are members, then the two main people, a kind of people who are the one is the client, the other is the storage provider. So we have built a platform where the clients can come and they can tell their requirements through a proposal, and the storage providers or the miners, they can then bid on those proposals, and in this way the clients get benefited by getting a cheaper deal and the storage provider get benefited by getting a very handy deal on our platform. So now let me take you to the platform first. So first of all, since I'm not connected, I will connect my wallet quickly. So it's asking me to connect, and then I get connected. Now, as I'm connected, now let's go and visit the proposal marketplace. So since we are starting out, here a client can fill this form and can generate a proposal for himself on our platform. Let me quickly fill up this form. Okay, after filling up this form, he can click submit to submit this form, and now by paying some amount of storage fees for the deal, he can create this form. So MetaMask pops out and it asks for confirmation to pay the deal. Since I'm testing it out, I'm paying pretty less storage fees, but this is the storage fees which the client will actually lock his funds for the authenticity of his deal. So now, once I create this proposal, once I confirm, my proposal would be created, and yes, it is created here. The first one is quite dummy. The second one and after it would be the real ones. So the proposal is created by this person and the CID of the data is being stored in it. Also, the deal size and deal duration and log funds, since I have started with zero, it's saying zero. If the client wants, he can log as much funds as he wants. In the smart contract, it would be. So now let's see more details about it. So when I click see more details, it gets me to a new page where I have the proposal informations, and I can do two types of things. One is the funding, the second one is the bidding. So as a storage provider would come here and he would bid the funding, who will be able to do the funding? Either the client would be able to fund or the members of the DAO will be able to fund to incentivize the deals further. Okay, so now let me just fund the deal. So when I click on fund the deal, my MetaMask should pop up and it should ask me for informations. Yeah, it just popped out. So yeah, so by the way, we are performing all this on Filecoin hyperspace testnet. So yeah, uh, now it just estimates the gas fees and then we can click on confirm. Yeah, now we can click on confirm to fund the contract. So yeah, we have confirmed the contract. Also, yeah, we can also like clarify by going to the activity where it shows up. Now, also when a proposal would be created, there would be a CID generated and it would be able to visible on the explorer. Like for example, Glyph Explorer, it is visible. So yeah. Apart from it, the transaction ID is can be also seen in the console, which generates when the funding is done. Now, let's say that I'm a storage provider now, and I want to propose my bid for this proposed client proposal. So now I click on bid, and now it asks me for a wallet address, which I would like to provide it. So Once I give him, and here it is for how much I want to offer in FIL tokens. So say I want to offer like one because I'm running on test tokens. So like when I will click on submit request, so once I click on submit request, MetaMask pops up, and this is confirmation for bidding. Now when I click on confirm, I think it should. I click on confirm and it gets confirmed. So now that we have done the bidding, so after a bidder places a bid, his address comes in the current bidders list. So here is the uh, bidder's address which are provided, and also here can be like T4 address also, whatever the bidder feels to provide. Now the for the client can now connect with the uh, provider one-to-one meeting. He can do one-to-one meeting before the final deal is done. This is powered by Hurdle, and we are using Hurdle for token gated meeting, as the meet should be as much authenticated as possible. So now this generates. Now I can sign in with any wallet I want, like MetaMask, Coinbase. I can like sign in as a guest also. I could join the meeting with the clients to discuss about our mutual requirements, and then we can finalize the deal. So now, as this would like join in for me, and the client and provider can have one-to-one meeting. So after the meeting, when both the clients and storage providers agree, now the other functionality that I would like to tell you about our platform is the activity. So it our platform is like connecting all the Filecoin deals. Like you can connect all the Filecoin deals through our platform. Now this is activate. So this is for activating the deal. So once you click on it, uh, first of all, like for activating the deal, you need the deal ID. So the deal ID can be generated once a deal is published on the Filecoin network. So yeah, you can like activate the deal out here with this not MetaMask. Okay, yeah. Then it takes some FIL tokens, and then it activates your deal if you provide the right deal ID. For here, we are already using a dummy deal ID, so it is working, but in real, you will need deal ID for this. Now, let me take you to the other nice feature of our platform, which is called miners. So, for example, if I'm a client and I want to search for miners, this is a good place for me. Here, I can like search for random miners by clicking on the refresh button. It sends an API response to the front end. It renders a list of the random miners. Now let me show you this here. You can view information about any storage provider by just entering his ID, which you can get when this renders out, and you can just click on the give it the ID, and then it will render all the information about that storage provider. From here, the client can easily get the peer ID. So after you get the peer ID, you can just put in the peer ID here. So I will have to like paste it from here. So and then the client can ask for a signed storage uh, information from the provider. So that is the feature that we have implemented, and it just connects you to the lib to P2P. So yeah, you can get connected out here. Then you can also check your ERC20 balances. The members will have an NFT, and they can like check their NFT out here. Also, so the final touch to our app is the feature called notifications. So when you click on notifications, it should open. And here, the whole notification will be shown via the push protocol. So just as I placed the bed, a notification came in the UI which says like someone just placed a bed. Also, the spam notification would also be rendered out if I've not opted in. So this is we can receive notification via many places like browser notification, on the platform notification via the Chrome extension. So yeah, so this was our beautiful platform made in this FVM Space Warp Hackathon. Uh, Thank you for watching. Thank you.